Hello everyone, this is the 17S20P 60 volts 30 Ah battery pack. Total 104 PCs NCM 3.7 volts 2500 mAh. The positive electrode of all cells should be pasted with an insulating sheet. We use 60 volts 17S BMS, the BMS discharge current is 45A and with equalization function. After the battery and BMS are laid out, cover the bracket, install the bracket and prepare the connector. Take the joint to the welder for welding and glue the epoxy plate to the battery. Wires are needed to connect the two layers of cells. After serial connection, fix the BMS and weld the joint wire.
After the acquisition line is connected, test the line sequence with the line sequence board. Shows that all LEDs are green, no red LEDs, indicating that the line sequence is correct. Next, we connect the acquisition line to the BMS, test the battery capacity with a multimeter. Battery voltage is 63V, BMS voltage is 63V. Then we charge and discharge the battery. First, we connect the battery to a charger and charge it with 12A current. Now the battery is fully charged, then we discharge the battery. The current is 21.6A and the power is 1485W. Now the capacity has been tested. The capacity is 31.71 Ah and the discharge capacity is 1.94 kWh. The battery pack is packed in a box made of epoxy resin plate, then a thermoplastic film is added. Now the thermoplastic film is ready. In order to protect the battery pack, we can also assemble the battery case.